Okay, then as fifth question, consider the following basis for GDP computation in India. So here we can see that the bases that have been used in Indian account statistics. So basically this is important because we have discussed in another video regarding IMF giving grade C for India's national account statistics, GDP account. But then we also mentioned that the overall grade was B. We also discussed about how India is planning to revise the base year. So it's very important both for prelims as well as mains. Please remember, it's a very there's a high probability that such kind of questions can ask. So India is planning to revise the base year from 2026 February. They will be revising the base year. So it's gonna be in news. It's gonna be near prelims. So please study that. Okay. So how many of the so base years, so up till after independence, about 7 times this base year have been revised. This is going to be the 8th time. Okay, 8th time the base year is going to get revised, and we can see that 1993-94 was used, 2004-2005 was used, and in 2011-2012 this was actually revised in 2015. Okay, 2015, right. This was the most recent base year which was actually revised. It was in 2015, 2011, 2012 was actually used, right. So 7 times the base year has been revised, and this in February 2026 another revision is going to take place, which is going to be the 8th revision as well. Okay, so please understand those things. This is that is mentioned here. Okay.